lahat ng tao ay makasama. Walang matuwid, walang kahit isa. Anong gawin? Aminin natin, Lord, nagkasala.
Eliana Anisia. Michelle Anasia. Isabella Anisia. Nathan M. Formalan.
Hello, it's memory verse time. Repeat after me. John 6 verse 35.
John 6 verse 35.
Then Jesus declared, I am the bread of life.
Then Jesus declared, I am the bread of life.
And whoever comes to me will never go hungry.
And whoever comes to me will never go hungry.
And whoever believes in me will never be thirsty.
And whoever believes in me will never be thirsty.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Teacher Pat, for this cute bracelet. It's so cute. Red represents the blood of Jesus. Black represents sin. Green represents glow. Yellow represents heaven. White represents pure. Thank you. Bye-bye.